the people. Okay. Yes, come. We don't have video, man. We don't have video, man. Come on, walk this way. We don't have video, man. Nobody want video. Yeah, true, man. Say something, man.
Yo,
serious.
We need help. It's craziness. The whole place, devastation. You know, Cat 5, we think I got happen. Look around. Look around. No house, nothing. No water, no communication. Come help us.
One.
So you say our father, two are going to be helping and going to happen. You say our God.
One.
I don't want to get no rush in the
Enough love, my boss.
So, yeah,
Enough love and thanks. We
Yeah.
appreciate it. Ask the world to just look out for it. Send it, come give it, because we need it. We need it.
we need help.
Enough love and thanks. We need a whole heap of help down here. Especially St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. We need a whole heap of help down here, man. Alright, my boss. Enough love and thanks. Here?
Bless up.
I beg you.
Guys. Alright, big up yourself.
Thank you, brother.
Alright. The last one not all. Last one. Yeah man, the last one leave. Come on. Watch the light pause. A big light pause today, sir, here.
Yeah, man. When the vehicle go down. Go down. Say no on the vehicle.
Al, come in, Al, come move. Come move it. Go and move it.